Hello and welcome to the social media vlog of NDTV. Today we are covering the nomination that is going to be filed by Shiv Sena. But what you see behind me are the flags of Congress. Why is this so? Because the by-election for the Andheri East by-poll is being contested by Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray, and this is a joint contest where you will find the flags of Congress, NCP and even CPIM. So all of them are contesting this election together against Murji Patel of the BJP, who is supported by the Shinde faction. Now, when we know that there has been two splits in Shiv Sena, after that this contest is happening. And as I said, the new name is Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray, and the new symbol is of Mashal, is of torch. But as I said, apart from Shiv Sena, there is Congress, there is NCP and even CPIM flags can be found over here. And in huge numbers, you will find people posing with all these names as well as all of these symbols. And you could see a huge crowd that is present inside as well, that is coming out, which includes Shiv Sena leader Aditya Thackeray along with other leaders. And all of them are going to file the nomination of Rutuja Latke, the candidate of Shiv Sena. Now this seat, Ramesh Latke was the MLA from this seat. But after his demise, a by-poll election is happening where Rutuja Latke, wife of Ramesh Latke, is contesting against Murji Patel of the BJP. And as you see, this is a huge crowd. Varun Desai, cousin of Aditya Thackeray as well as leader of Yuva Sena, can be seen over here. On the other hand, you will see the Mashal symbol, the symbol that is being used by the Shiv Sena to contest the election, the Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray party to contest the election. Now, as you can see, the number of people are rising over here, and in huge numbers, people have reached over here. Now, as I said, this is not a campaign that is going on. This is just an election or a nomination filing is happening before the election. But even then, people in huge numbers can be seen present over here. In fact, we also, me and my video journalist Praveen Jirohit, even we are cramped. So that is the condition over here. And people are over here present in huge numbers to contest the elections. I'll also try to speak to Varun Sardesai, who is into Yuva Sena. Varunji, I'll try to speak to Varun Sardesai and try to get his reaction on the same. As I said, this is a very important election. Varunji, election is happening and today is just a nomination, but we could see a huge show of strength that is being done by your party as well.
This is not a show of strength, this is a show of affection, this is a show of love towards our leader Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray ji. This is a show of love towards our candidate Rutuja Ramesh Latke Vaini. And I think just judging by today's numbers that have come out on the streets just to support her, we are very confident that we will win this election.
So this is the first time that the election will be held after there has been a split on this Mashal symbol. How important do you find this election before the upcoming BMC election, and how important is it for even Shiv Sena, because we saw a huge crowd at Shivaji Park, but this is the first time when face to face both the factions are on the street?
See, I am a Karyakarta, and for a Karyakarta every election is equally important. And that is why even though we are confident of winning it, we will make sure that there is no overconfidence. We are going to take our new symbol and our new party name to each and every doorstep. We are going to convince every single voter. We are going to tell them all the good work that we've been doing for the past 30 years in Mumbai. And I'm very confident once the voters know of all the work that we have done, they'll stand firmly with us.
But there has been a huge challenge for you as well. First, when there was a rally at Shivaji Park, when you wanted to do that rally, you had to go to the court. Even for Rutuja Latke to contest, till yesterday night, evening at least, we were not sure if she will be able to contest. You had to go to the Bombay High Court again. So how do you see the struggle that is going and happening every time whenever you want, say, a park or you want your candidate to contest?
No, I think it is really unfortunate because it has been Maharashtra's tradition that whenever an MLA dies and someone from within his close family is contesting the elections, usually every other party supports him. And there is no by-poll election that happens. But as we know that BJP is used to dirty politics, they keep on doing their cheap politics, and to go after a widow and to maybe not and put pressure on the administration to not accept a resignation, than to accuse her of corruption. I think this is a new low even for the BJP, and even the citizens of Andheri East have not liked this, and the citizens have already expressed their hatred towards all these dirty tactics. And I'm sure on the eve of elections, they will all firmly stand with us.
Final question, apart from Shiv Sena, we see flags of Congress, NCP and even CPIM. So all of them are together against the BJP and the Shinde faction?
We have already declared that this is going to be an election wherein the official candidature will be by Shiv Sena, and all the parties of Maha Vikas Aghadi and also some factions of CPI have already backed us. So we are very confident that we will win this election.
So as you heard Varun Sardesai speaking to NDTV, and as you could hear, even Priyanka Chaturvedi and all the other leaders are present over here, and they are going to file the nomination. But this is the show of strength. However, Varun Sardesai doesn't call it the show of strength, but you people in huge number are present, and this is how they are going to file the nomination papers, which is very important. As I said, that there is a BMC election that is coming after this election, and that is why the symbol of Mashal is being used everywhere. So this is what we are trying to explain to you via this social media blog. In Mumbai with camera person Praveen Jurohit, Sohit Mishra for NDTV.